Hello! In this video I will tell you all you need to know about the maintenance on the PIXMA G-Series 2020 models. I will cover the following in this video part 4 on PIXMA G-Series, but you can find more videos by touching the right up corner of the screen about what is new, what is in the box, setup and more. And if you subscribe, turn on the bell, then you won't miss my next uploads. For the start, let's get into the maintenance menu and let me explain about the print head cleaning options. There are three options to clean: the normal, the deep and ink flush. Use normal cleaning and deep cleaning. If deep cleaning about 3 times does not recover the printer head, you may try also the ink flush, which will put a lot of ink into the maintenance cartridge and cannot be performed when the maintenance cartridge is almost full. In the maintenance menu, you find head alignment, which I did in part 3 video on this model, and you can find it by touching the right up corner of the screen. There are also other options like cleaning rollers or bottom plate cleaning inside the maintenance menu. If you need to replace the print head in your printer because of the related errors, then follow the next steps. When print head replacement is finished, you may need to wait for the printer to get ready. And if you did not open the ink valve, then you get the following error. The information about transport can be found on the box and inside the printer, and by touching the right up corner of the screen you will find my unboxing video on this model. The transport mode for PIXMA G-Series printer is recommended to prevent ink leakage when transporting the printer. Follow the next steps before you transport the printer. And finally, in the last part, I will demonstrate maintenance cartridge replacement, which is very practical way of replacing the ink absorber, and can be done by user and not only service. It was usual on the older models. In the Wi-Fi models, you can check the status of maintenance cartridge via maintenance tab on the driver or via Canon print app if your printer is registered to the app. In all multifunctional models with a 2-line LCD display, you can check the status via the menu. If you have printer only, the alarm lamp will start blinking 8 times in the interval when the maintenance cartridge becomes full. The maintenance cartridge from this printer is very empty. But if you are replacing the full ink cartridge, be careful as the ink may leak out. You get the bag with the new cartridge to put in the old one. Before I finish, I will do the test copy to check everything works fine with my PIXMA. The printer may take a while before it will start because of the procedures demonstrated in this video so far. And that would be all in this video. There is more about PIXMA G-Series. You are also welcome to comment below, ask questions or like this video, and feel free to subscribe, turn on the bell so you won't miss my next uploads. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye!